Again, have a look around this course. Beautiful city. The beauty of this course is breathtaking. Hole number 1, second shot. Didn't really talk much about it on the first shot, but this is Hawk Ridge Meadows Golf Course. And second shot, I have a sort of a ditch right in front, but not in play. I have a bunker behind on the side of the green, so hopefully that's also not in play. Hitting a 8 iron. I'm going to go easy on it. Okay, that was too much club probably, so went a little over the green, but that's fine. Putting for a long birdie. Have a ridge in the middle. I've been told that there is a club championship going on, so they have rolled the greens, so expecting this to be a little quick. Right. Not bad from that distance. So putting for par. Boogie start. Beautiful course. Lovely greens. Feels really nice to be out here. Hole number 2, 437 yard par 4. There's OB, I believe, on the complete left side and a narrow approach to the green. There is a bunker to the left fairway, but probably not in play. Just want to start it on the right edge of the fairway and bring it in like a natural draw. Stayed on the right side. Should be okay. Shouldn't be in deep trouble, but I could have blocked myself with the trees on my second shot. Again, have a look around this course. Beautiful city. As I mentioned, I think I'd blocked myself with the tree in front. That's exactly what I've done. So I need to get this ball high up and then back down. There is tailwind, so I'll pick up a 52. I don't want to really mess with the back edge of the green. Front edge should be fine. Just need to clear that tree. Completely screwed it up. Not a good shot at all. Third shot, I'm in the thick of the thick rough. The ball's lying here. Just want to punch it up to the green and get a par. Not bad from where I was. Gave myself a par chance. There's the ball on the green. There's that place. Third. Great shot, Dad. Made a par on the second, even after being in the thick rough. So that's pretty decent effort. Let's see what I do on the third, par 5. Hole number 3, par 5, 544 yards. 2 water bodies on the right. Left's okay. There is room on the left side. Enter fairway, but the wrong one. This is my second shot on the par 5 third, and I'm roughly about maybe about 250, maybe 250. I'm not really sure. Can't really measure from here. So I'm going to just take a hybrid. Try to aim it at the green. Green's right between those pine trees. Not exactly what I wanted to do. Dad just gave me a sign I'm in a bunker, so at least I'm safe. There's no water there. I'm not going to lose the golf ball or a shot. So, but fairway bunkers are tricky. I'm not very used to them. Anybody who's watching this vlog, I would highly recommend coming to this golf course. They're very friendly, very nice to talk to, and course is lovely, pristine condition. Great chip, Dad. My third shot on the third hole, par 5. Trying to just get it on the green and land it between where the fringe is and that the ball is.
Done. Yeah. Oh, nicely. But it rolled quite a bit. Yeah, it has rolled to the edge of the green.
You know, you were standing there and pushing the ball. But it... Ah, you got it. That's a bogey. So bogey, par, bogey start. 3-hole score is 2 over par. And messy bunker. So I don't know what to do. Please suggest a solution for me. Solution is practice.